Put it in there, Richard. Just put it in. Good job.
$7?
$7? That's a lot of money. Why so much?
I want two.
How do you open it?
The computer's up there.
Open, yep. Good job. Pay me. Can I have some money? Thank you. Can I pay you now?
$4.
Can I have a card too? And now you tell me how much it is. How much is it? $4? Alright, here's $4. How do you put it in there?
Why you just found it? It's next to the bus.
Next time we know.
Hi.
Next to the taxi. You're yelling at me. Close it, close it. How much more money now? How much more?
How much more money, answer?
6.
Here you go.
6 more.
Open it. Right, open it.
Good job.
Okay. What? Let's see that.
Alright, no more. Give her
All done. Can I have my money back now? Please?
Let's go play another thing.
Yeah, close it.
I like this game.
Yeah. Thank you.
You like this game? Yeah.
You like this?
I should buy him casual.
Yeah, he likes this a lot. He was asking for it the whole time.